Hi dolls! After a long time of researching, I managed to add one of my holy grail dolls to my collection. The 1965 Madame Alexander Alice in Wonderland. The condition was decent considering her age, and I managed to pay less than £50 for her, which is a bargain for a doll like her. Her condition was not as terrible as most of the dolls from that era, but she still required some work. I cut off her tag and put it somewhere safe. So safe, in fact, that even I don't remember where it is. I undressed her and prepped everything for cleaning. I put her dress, bloomers, socks, bow, and an apron in the sink with some oxy cleaner and left everything to soak for a few hours. Then I transferred everything into jars where they could sit undisturbed. I moved on to cleaning the doll using dishwashing soap, making sure to scrub everything down meticulously. Her hair received the usual fabric softener and comb through treatment. After about 2 days of soaking, her dress came out impeccable, but her socks and hair bow would not let go of the yellowish dust stains. I put a little bit of purple shampoo, diluted it, and left everything to soak up the pigment, hoping that would remove some of the yellow hue. And to my surprise, everything worked out great. No stains, no fabric deterioration, nothing. Except her bow, which I had to discard, but it wasn't that much of a problem. So I went ahead and gave Alice a much deserved haircut. For this, I simply took my hair cutting scissors, rolled sections of her hair around my finger, and cut off any loose, scraggly hairs. All the back curls have managed to keep their shape, but the two front pieces needed a little help. So I constructed some hair rollers out of cardboard and went to town with my steamer. Now for her face, I used pure acetone and I can already see the comments. Don't use acetone on plastic, it melts. So I tested it on her scalp first. I carefully scrubbed as much as I could without putting too much pressure and trying to avoid her paint job. The last step was to tie the two front sections of her hair to the back of the head. I combed them and clipped them at the nape. Then tied everything with an elastic band. might be wondering, why did you curl her hair if you were going to tie it back anyway? Well, the answer is simple. I then combed her hair into a Marlowe flip and tied the bow. And there you go. Now she's ready to be displayed. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave a like, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them below. I would love to hear your ideas for my next videos. Stay tuned, and I love you guys.